Hey, welcome back. You might recognize on screen that I have the COUNTIF function, which I completed in a previous video for us. And the COUNTIF function had two arguments, the first of which evaluated a specific range, looking for the second argument, which was, in this case that I have highlighted, D3. Today's video, what I want to show you is the SUMIF function. This time I want Excel to calculate how much the total cost was for each individual shipper. So there's going to be three arguments in the SUMIF function. So I'll just type it out so you can see how I do it as I build it. As always, every function always begins with an equal sign. And functions have names. This one is SUMIF. As I type out the functions, you see a screen display of a description of what each function does. The SUMIF is going to add cells specified by a given criteria. So I'm going to type my parenthesis. My prompt is indicating which argument is first. That's the range. It's the range that's evaluated. So I want Excel to evaluate the cells from A3 through A16, and I'm going to lock those so that I can copy my formula down and not have the cell references shift. Then I type the comma. Within that blue highlighted range, A3 through A16, I want Excel to look for the value that's in cell D3. And then I add the comma. And then the third argument is prompting me for the sum range. That's the range of cells that the sum function is going to be calculated on. And again, I'm going to lock that reference and close the parenthesis, because every function must have the argument parentheses closed. So then before I hit enter on this, I'll describe what's going on in here again. The blue arguments, that's the range that Excel's evaluating. The second argument, which is outlined and highlighted as red, is the criteria. So Excel's looking in the blue range for UPS. And then the third argument is the range of cells that actually get summed. So anytime Excel sees UPS in the blue range, it's going to add the cost from the purple range. So the $67.15, the $67.91, the $46, the $68.18, the $33.07, and the $61.82. When I press enter, that number calculates up to $342.21, and I didn't round that or format it as currency. I'll fix that real quick because that looks better, and then I can copy that formula down. And it works the same on all three cells because I locked the blue cell reference A3 through A6. I left the cell reference D5 relative. So in this case now, Excel's evaluating all the blue highlighted range for the red highlighted value F or FedEx, and it's summing the value from the purple range. So FedEx 69.61, 43.57, 19.35, 23.43. And I hit enter, and it updates. And the whole power and value of working with Excel functions and formulas is that it updates stuff automatically. If the shipper changes from UPS FedEx, the totals all update like magic. As always, if you have questions with the SUMIF function or any Excel issue with your own files, you are welcome to reach out. I will be happy to help you. You can contact me. My contact information is on my website, and you could also try reaching out on the different social media links, all of which are posted on the About page of the My Reno Computer Tutor channel. Thanks a lot. I look forward to hearing from you.